Tiana Chanel. If y'all want to see how I styled this curly human hair wig, continue to watch. I just want to show y'all the packaging. Look how freaking cute the ISEEHAIR packages come. It's like a little bag, and then you take the box out. Box is really cute. Let's see the hair. This is a wear and go wig, so you don't have to wear it glueless. And it is Kinky Curly, I believe. Kinky Curly, Pre-plucked, Pre-bleached, all that good stuff. Here's the elastic band and a little tag on it. It comes with removable clips, so you can add these or take them off, and if they fall off, it comes with extra clips in this little package. So it's 3 combs and one extra elastic band in here, which I love because, you know, sometimes you just don't be keeping up with that. And then the clips is 1 long one and 2 short ones, so you can see. It comes with an invisible HD cap. Comes with instructions, and then it's talking about like the M cap that it comes with, which is this right here for specifically wear and go wigs. And it has a maximum lace size, minimal knots, match ear shapes, movable combs in the cap, also mimics forehead contour with the, and it has a mark of authenticity because wear and go is ISEEHAIR. They started it. Y'all, I've been seeing stuff on TikTok where it's like wig influencers be lying about the quality of the wigs, and if I'm being so real, I think any wig that wasn't giving, like I said it, but most of the wigs, I swear y'all, be really good quality. Like, I would not lie to y'all like that. Truly, I would never do y'all like that. And here's some eyelashes. And I love ISEEHAIR. ISEEHAIR, Nadula. There's another one. I can't think of them for some reason. And it's like the main ones. All them have like, most of the big name wig brands have really good hair. And I feel like they're all around the same hair quality. That's just me. But it also comes with this bonnet. So what I'm about to do is soak this hair in some water and clump up the curls, because I don't like the curls that it come with. It's like I don't dislike it, but it just looks too perfect. So once I wet it and stuff, it'll look like how I like it to look, but still very cute. You can tell this is like great quality.
Gotta put my focus on. When he tried to end my career, truth be told, I don't fuck with homies. So many bad bitches up in here. Which one of them I'm taking home? Bitch,
so this is what the hair look like drenched. So y'all see the difference of it looking a little bit more natural. It's not as put together. And I'll like wet it again once I put on my head, but I'm gonna let it dry. I don't know why that keeps on going out. I'm gonna let it dry for now. But this is gonna be a yada bit tight. Okay. It has an elastic band in the M cap. I don't feel like I need all that, if I'm being real. I don't need all that. So here I'm just putting on the wig, and as y'all can tell, it's very snug, unlike a lot of these wear and go wigs or glueless wigs. And I feel like the fact that it is more snug, it makes it look way more natural. It doesn't slip back. If it was 10 times more secure. So I give ISEEHAIR a 10 out of 10 on that, because it is some wigs that I get where I have to keep, when it's glueless, I have to keep on pushing it up because it keep on sliding back. But as y'all can tell, the whole time I'm doing my hair, I didn't have to like move it once. Maybe unless I realized it was like lopsided or whatever. But I didn't have to push it forward. But I just use mousse from Most Def. And yeah, I use it on my edges and I use it on the hair. That's what I'm using right now. I use it for the whole head. All I use is water and mousse, no gel, no got to be, no nothing. I just use that and it works so good. So as y'all can see, I'm just clumping the curls, spraying it and clumping it, spraying and clumping it. And look how cute it looks wet. But I was like, I would really like to wear it in the wet look. But I was like, let me dry it so y'all can see how it looks all the way dry. And I did a cute little hairstyle in the end. So yeah, I'm going to just stop talking so y'all can see because it's pretty self-explanatory. And yeah. This hair was very natural, very soft. I give it a 10 out of 10. And if you're interested in buying this wig, the link is down below, also with a discount code. So don't forget that, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.